Hey guys, it's Joe from Jordanbikes and welcome to the video of this super cool Harley Davidson 1248. It's 2016 on a 16 plate, it's done 8,295 miles and it's a beauty. Stage 1, so it's got the Vance and Hines short pipes on it, you've got the Screaming Eagle filter and you've got the fuel pack as well. You'll see that it has been custom painted and you've got the little windshield there as well. So if you have a look at the tank, full custom paint job, really does look the business. The tank is actually off a different Harley Davidson as well because it's a little bit bigger than these. You've got the aftermarket cool grips on there as well. Forward controls, everything matches the handlebars, so everything is super cool. You've got the back pegs on there, the side mount plate, rear seat and the backrest as well. Oh, it's even got a little toolkit for your sandwiches. Coming around this side, you'll just see how lovely and clean it is. You've got the Vance and Hines short pipes there. I think the brake, the pedals and the pegs, everything just looks really nice on the bike. Coming to the back, you'll see that side mount plate just gives the back end a nice cleaner look. We'll give it a fire up so you can hear it. Beautiful. If you come and have a look at the display, you'll see that you get ABS on these bikes. So there you go, there's your ABS light flashing. Speedo goes round there. They're alarmed as well and they are keyless, so whilst I've done all that, the key has been in my pocket. You flick it off and the alarm comes on. It's got different handlebars on there as well, just to give it a bit of a closer grip to you. And I think that's it. If I have missed anything off, please do have a look at the advert. But Harley Davidsons do seem to be selling very fast at the moment. So if you do want this one, be very quick. Give us a call, drop yourself down to Jordanbikes or an email and get it snapped up before someone else does. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.